Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club for the month of October. My little postcard here so we can add our sticker to it. Once that gets filled up, you get a prize, and I'm not sure what that is because I haven't filled mine up yet. But let's take a look at what came this month. So you always get a little magnet, a sticker. Here's the sticker that goes with the postcard, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. You also get a bookmark and a piece of the month, some accessories, and the minifigure pieces. So here's a sticker that was really hard for me to get off for some reason. So here's our piece of the month, accessories, or body parts, accessories. There's the bookmark, take the shot. That's cute. Then they have a Facebook group you can join, so there's always like a little advertisement and a little challenge or some kind of interaction you can do. So let's look at the piece of the month. I'm going to assume it's basketball related, but maybe not. It's an interesting looking helmet. Haven't seen that piece before, but that's pretty cool. So that's what the piece of the month is. Next we'll look at the accessories. And I'll put all the information below for this subscription, the price and all that, and they are official Lego pieces. So here we have a sword, and by the color of it, I'm assuming that glows in the dark. Some flags, another flag, some hats. It's a cool helmet, it has stars on top. It's red and like neon. Another hat. Cute little weapon. It's pretty cool looking. And then another weapon. And for the minifigure pieces, there's enough to make 3 full people and then have a couple extra pieces. So, we have head with sunglasses. 2 female heads so far. So it looks like we got all female heads. Then for the legs, I have some short red ones, some plain black ones, some navy blue, and this one has a badge of sorts on it, it looks like. And then some orange Emmett pants. I think we've got those before, or maybe we got the chest piece for it. Here's another one. That one has some cool little printing on it. And then the last one also has some printing. So that's what I got this month. I'm going to go ahead and put all the information below in case you want to join. Like I said, it's really affordable, all real Lego pieces, so I like it. And we're going to at least get it until we fill up this card and see what that prize is. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.